Hey guys, we have the Sony SRS XB13 wireless Bluetooth speaker. In this video we want to explain to you how to pair this speaker with an Android phone. So in this case we are going to use here the Samsung Android phone, but it does work with any other Android phone in pretty much the same way. Now in case you do want to pair your speaker with an iPhone, then I suggest you check out my other video here in the upper right corner where we're going to pair this speaker with an iPhone. Okay, so now let us get started. And the first step is here on the speaker. We're going to press the power button here on the back side. Just press it once and you should see the green LED illuminate. And then to the right of it we find the Bluetooth button, and we're going to press this one time. And the jingle that we just heard, that is the indicator for the Bluetooth pairing mode. So at this point we can already switch here to our phone. And we're going to just swipe down here from the very top right corner, and then we find here this little cogwheel icon. That's the settings menu. So we're going to select this. And on the very top of the following screen we find here connections. Going to select this. And then we're going to find on the following page here Bluetooth. So let's enter this menu. And here we have to make sure that the Bluetooth functionality is turned on. So let's flip the switch here on the right side to turn on Bluetooth. And now the phone is going to search for the speaker, and it's going to find it really quickly. You see this here on the bottom of the list. There is the SRS XB13. So let's select this. And now eventually there's going to be a pop-up showing up here, so we have to confirm this, that we really want to pair our phone to the speaker. And now we just heard another jingle that indicates that we have successfully paired our speaker here to our Android phone. And we can also see some additional information, so we can use this for phone calls and just to play audio. And we see that the battery percentage right now is at 50%. As we just saw, we can use the speaker here, of course, to play music. So let's try this out. And once we're done using the speaker, then all we have to do is press the power button here on the back side again. That will turn it off and it will disconnect from our phone. And if you're wondering if you have to go through this pairing process every time you want to use the speaker, then the answer to that question is no. So the next time you just turn on the speaker and it will automatically reconnect to our Android phone here. We don't have to do anything as long as the Bluetooth functionality is still enabled on our phone. So you see, this is automatically reconnects and it is immediately ready to go. Now if you're wondering if you can connect multiple phones at the same time to the speaker, then the answer to that question is no. So you can only connect one phone at a time. And yeah, so this was already it for this video. I hope you found the information helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.